How to skip ads on Hulu. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you through the process in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just get started. For that, you can go ahead and open up Hulu, which is this one right here. You can go ahead and access the website and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, you should be finding this particular interface from where you can tap on your profile, click on your profile in the top right corner, and select the option called account from the given menu. After you do so, you will be taken to the section where you can manage your account. From the given options, you may scroll down until you reach over to the section called your subscription, your plan, etc., where you will be finding your plan that you've added. So look out for the option called manage plan and click on it. And once you do so, here it will show you all of the available plans. Now you need to look out for the option called second one, which is Hulu no ads, and turn that option on. Go ahead and toggle it on. And that way, when you toggle it on, you can look out for the review changes option and confirm it. And when your subscription has been done, that way you can skip ads on Hulu very easily. So that is it for today's video. I hope this information was helpful to you. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.